It's 2026, and most people that are just learning about importation are even scared to get onto importation. So, if I'm about to start importation in 2026, like right now, these are the things that I'm going to do different that will make me scale up way faster than I ever could, guys. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, guys, because on this channel we discuss about importation and business and how you can make money online. So, without wasting much of your time, the first thing that I'm going to be focusing on is I will forget about products. Yes, I'll forget about product that I'm going to sell, guys. So most people, when they learn about importation, the first thing is that comes to their mind is that the product they want to order, like the product that they have been like hanging, they want to order and all, guys. I will tell you that no, that is not your winning product. And there are different ways like you can go about like finding a winning product, guys. So one thing is that I believe everybody uses TikTok now. So if you don't use TikTok, like you don't have TikTok on your phone, then I literally don't know what you are doing, guys. So because most everybody uses TikTok, especially in Nigeria here, like they use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, different platform, guys. But most people are on TikTok, guys. So if you go on TikTok, like there is no how you're going to like scroll like 50 times that you won't see like some products. It might be inside a video, like people talked about product or anything like that. So you see all those products, you need to focus on it, guys. And the thing is that even if you don't like, you're not interested in this type of content, guys, you can actually search for it on like TikTok. Like you might see like products trend or anything, guys. You will see a lot of products in Nigeria that are like that are in trend, guys. So there was a time all these blenders are in like they are trendy easily, guys. All this 4L blender, 2L blender, like Silver Quest. In fact, the Silver Quest blender was trending so much, like around like 2024, like early 2025, in fact 2023. You see that Silver Quest blender, guys. You can't go wrong with it. Just buy it. I'm sure you are going to sell out, guys. So there was a time that thing is trendy. So if you are getting into importation during that period, guys, you will definitely see that product, guys. If you like make your research, do your research well, guys. So even in 2026, right now that a lot of people are complaining that there is no money in town, everywhere is dry, there are still products that are trendy, guys, that you can actually get into Nigeria, guys. So what you just need to do is you need to do market research first. So you see that market research, that should be your first thing and not the product. So when you do market research, then the next thing is you can also talk about it. Yes, so that's the next thing. So first talk about this product. If you are into content creation and everything, you can talk about this product and all. Or if you don't do content creation, like you're not a content creator, so you can like ask your friends, ask your people around. You definitely have a friend. Don't tell me that you're an introvert or anything. There's no matter how introvert you are, especially if you're in school, you can actually see people around you using that product. And if you're not in school, guys, like just talked about it. And if you don't do content creator, like I said, you can ask your friend, like, have you seen this product? Have you seen this product? Like, have your idea, like pick their brain. I have idea about it. They might tell you that, oh yes, I'm even looking forward to buy it, or no, I don't like the product or anything. Like they will give you idea. So all these things will literally help, guys. So just pick people's brain. Like go out, check what they are doing. Like I said, if you're in school and you go to class every day, like you will see a lot of people that are using that product, or even if you don't see a lot of people, like talk to your friends about it. So that is the next thing. So if you talked about it and you still see that okay, this product also check the list, like a lot of people are into it, or people want to buy it, or people are saving to buy it or anything, then trust me, you are getting there, guys. You are getting there to find your winning product. So that is the second thing. So the next thing you should also focus on after you've done the two, guys, is find a supplier, guys. Yes, find a supplier that sell this thing. So if you want to find a supplier that sell this thing, you should definitely check out like 1688 or Pindodo or Xiaoyu. You see all these three apps I just mentioned, guys. You will find a supplier there that sells like quality products, guys, for cheap. In fact, you can also check Taobao. So all these app I just mentioned, all these four apps, 1688, Pindodo, Xiaoyu, Taobao, definitely you will find a supplier there that sells that product that you are looking for. So after you find a supplier, like just search, you will see a supplier, the different supplier. What you just need to do is like differentiate, like know the good supplier from the bad ones, and then you like pick out the good supplier and then you start messaging them, guys. So that is just how you're going to do it. So if you want to go like in depth about how to find all the supplier, guys, I have a video about it on my channel. So I don't really want to go into that part, guys, because like I said, it is a long thing. So because like you're going to find like market research and everything, so it's a long thing. But check my channel, you see a video about it on how to find like a good supplier. Yes, guys. So just go through all those apps and like find a supplier for it, guys. Because like I know most people start importation with Alibaba. So I don't know about you, but me, I start importation with Alibaba, guys, and I'm buying this for like way expensive, guys. I don't know that to me it is cheap before I found all these like 1688, like the rest, guys. So to me, then Alibaba was cheap. So now I find a app that is even way cheaper, guys. So that is why like you need to go through all these apps to find a supplier. And I will tell you that like you see all this app I just mentioned, like it depends on what you are buying. So if you are buying like a clothes, let's just see the product that you have been finding, guys, it is clothes. Then I will advise you to use Taobao or 1688. In fact, I'll use Taobao, guys. So if you are looking for like a, let's just say a warehouse that you want to buy a large quantity, like let's just say 200 pieces, 300 pieces, and 500 pieces, guys, I will recommend 1688, guys. But 1688, you have to be very careful, guys. You have to be very careful. But if you are lucky enough and you see that good supplier from 1688, trust me, guys, you already find your whole money. So you have to be very careful when using 1688. So you see this Pinduoduo, like Pinduoduo is one of the best app right there, guys. Not expensive at all. And one thing about Pinduoduo is that like every supplier there are legit. There's no way you can get scam on Pinduoduo if you use online payment, guys. So there's no way you can get scam on Pinduoduo, guys. So very, very good. But Zanyu is like a second hub, just like Gigi. So if you're Nigeria, you know about Gigi. So Gigi is a hub that you can buy like a used product. So that is how Zanyu works, guys. So you can buy used product on the Zanyu. So like I said, it depends on the products that you are finding, guys. But you can see all this app I just mentioned and like their base function, guys. So depends on the product, like I said. So you can just check them out and do your proper research, guys. And the next thing is that after you find this supplier, very easy, start at a low risk. So what I mean by start at the low risk is that like let's just say the product is quite expensive. You can start for like 4 pieces, guys. You don't need to order like large quantity. Start like 4 pieces, 5 pieces, something that you can afford and that you are not like if anything even happen that you don't even sell, guys, it won't really affect you. So the money won't really affect you, guys. And if the product is quite cheap, guys, you can start for like 10 pieces or 20 pieces, not too much, guys. So I don't want you to start ordering like maybe like 200 pieces or 300 pieces and you start having like a big problem selling all these things, guys. Just order small, a little. Use it to test the market. Yes, use it to test the market. So when you test the market and the market favors you, guys, like you see a lot of people like, well, I actually need this. Oh, yes, I need this. People started recommending you that, oh, yeah, this girl sell this product, guys. So when people started recommending you and telling you that, okay, yeah, this girl sell this product and you started selling, then that is when you need to now order like a large quantity, guys. So don't just start with like ordering large quantity, no matter how rich you are, guys, and how invested you are about this business. No, don't start at like as at a goal. No, just start small. After you start small, then you started increasing, increasing. So that is how you should go about importation, guys. Don't just like start huge, guys. No. And also, there are also different ways you can sell your product. So some people don't actually know how to do like a, let's just say like a physical interaction with people that, oh, I sell this and that. So there are different ways you can sell your product, guys. So you can sell your product on Jumia platform, guys. So I know a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually sell on Jumia platform. In fact, the Jumia platform you'll be ordering from, guys, I would say like 90% of the products you see here are sold by people like you, guys. Yes, they are sold by people like you. So that is one thing a lot of people also don't know, guys. So that's just it. So you can actually create an account and also start selling on this type of platform. And also, if you can also do like Facebook ads or TikTok ads, guys. In fact, I will recommend TikTok ads. Yes, I will recommend TikTok ads. Depend on the products, but if you are selling like a older people products, guys, you can use Facebook, because like more older people use Facebook and more younger people use like TikTok, guys. So you can actually do TikTok to sell this product. So you literally have the blueprint, guys. Yes, you literally have the blueprint. So I don't think anything should stop you from doing this importation business, guys. And I will tell you that it is very profitable. Yes, importation is profitable if you know what you are doing. It is very profitable. I'm talking from experience, guys. So it is very profitable. And also, one thing I love this business is that it can let you to meet a lot of people, like quite a lot of people, guys. So that's just one thing, guys. So like I said, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you find this video educative, make sure you give it a thumbs up, guys. So we are almost at 1K followers, guys. So I literally need your help. Make sure you subscribe, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.